Hello everyone. So we will discuss today how to write off your rehab, especially on short-term rentals. This also applies for your commercial property. Remember, if you meet the short-term rental requirements, less than 7 days on average, it qualifies as a commercial property, right? That's why we're talking about all these cost segregations and everything with short-term rental. That's how the short-term rental loophole works. Okay, today we're going to talk about how you can write off your rehab on the short-term rentals. So once you qualify as short-term rental, your rehab can also be written off. You don't even have to do cost segregation. It's done through something called QIP, Qualified Improvement Properties. But the timing has to be right, okay? So qualified improvement properties are any internal improvements that you do in the property, not outside, not roof or sidings, internal. Even you do entire remodeling of your bathroom, normally you cannot write that off, even with cost segregation. But if you meet the QIP requirements, you can write off. But you have to be careful about the timing though. That is where I want to focus on today's call. How can you time your rehab correctly so you can write off your internal renovation? So I'm going to share this on my screen here. This is how it works. We have a short-term rental on top, right? So what happens with short-term rental is when you buy short-term rental, it could be a new short-term rental right here, or it could be existing short-term rental. So how are you going to plan a rehab depends on what you did. If it's already a short-term rental, all you have to do, you do normal. You have to go renovate the property. You don't have to rent out, and then you can write off. It's that simple. Like any other properties. Think about this as buying a commercial property. You just go rehab the property. As soon as you buy it, you don't have to have tenants out there, and you can write off the internal QIP under 100% bonus depreciation. With a new short-term rental, if you bought a beach property, but someone else used to live in that property before, then you're not doing renovation right away. If you do, the renovation will not be deductible. You have to do cost segregation, and only, let's say, 20% of the renovation would be deductible. The better way is to put that asset in service, meaning advertise it. You don't have to have a tenant or have one or two bookings under Vervo or Airbnb, and then stop the booking and then renovate. That way, the renovation qualifies as QIP, and then now you can deduct the renovation. So just to recap, when you buy a short-term rental, depending on a new short-term rental or existing short-term rental, you have to plan your timing correctly. If you do, you can write off your rehab internal, okay, not external. Hopefully this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.